What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Warehouse Series. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing another video breakdown. I had one in the suggestions and the guy pulled his videos off. I was messaged privately that someone said that those videos, his selecting videos, have been up for years. So I sure hope he didn't pull his videos down because he got wind of somebody that was going to break down his videos. It just seems like a coincidence that I was getting ready to break down his video because I was actually kind of enjoying to do his video because he was in a freezer section and I was going to talk about cross-contamination and stuff to that nature, why he was building, you know, straight up and down. It actually was going to be a pretty decent video breakdown, but he pulled the video, so I don't have the video to go off of. So Michael R, recommended another one, so I'm going to do that video today. Guys, remember when I'm doing these video breakdowns, I am not in any way attacking the people in the video. I am just giving my suggestions on what I would do to, possibly do that order better, or maybe not do it better at all. Maybe it's just fine. So, that's all I'm doing with these video breakdowns is giving people a visual because I'm not allowed to film in my warehouse. That's it. So we're going to do another video breakdown today. But before I get to that, guys, if you are not a subscriber, if you could do that, I really appreciate you guys helping and grow this channel. And if you guys can leave any comments in the section below, give me a thumbs up, share my videos, share my content with your fellow warehouse workers. I really appreciate it. Just trying to keep growing this channel and hopefully we keep pushing forward. All right, guys, so let's get to today's video breakdown. All right, guys, first and foremost, I like to say that I hate using plastic pallets, especially those type. Some of them have grit on them, but these ones are smooth and cases like to slide on these pallets, so I do not like using plastic pallets when I don't have to. We don't have many in our warehouse to use, so I like using wood. Plus, the pallet is also smaller than a piece of wood, it seems like. He's putting cases together. I like that, guys. When I get two cases from one pick location, I like sticking them together. Although he has them going this way, I would have went towards the middle of my pallet with those cases. Just a personal preference. That case that he just threw down, he has it on its side. Guys, the side of the box is going to be the weaker side. Where the tape is at the top, it's going to be stronger. So I always like to keep cases upright as much as possible, so I know that the strong side's at the top. If he's going to have a bunch of light cases, it's not going to be that big of a difference, but if he gets a heavy case that goes on top of there, it will smash that case. Once again, two cases at a time, and he puts them right together. I like that. Nice strong corner. Keep those cases together when you can. I also noticed the back of his fork sticking out, if this is a triple pallet jack, then do the pallets go on sideways? We don't have triple pallet jacks because there's no way he's fitting another pallet on the back of that fork. So let me know in the comment section below if you have triple pallet jacks, do they go on, do you put the pallets on sideways whenever you select 3 at a time? I don't know. So he did put a case on top of that sideways case. I just don't recommend. He just did it again. He just put another case on its side. I just don't recommend putting cases on their side because, like I said, it is the weak side. Me personally, I just wouldn't do it. And those buckets, I would not have those buckets on that back pallet because they're just, you notice they were sliding. And here we go. Let's pause this. Guys, the cardboard slip sheets, you could already see he has gap there. There's gaps in the pallet. So if you have like a 64Q pallet and that's a full pallet, I'm going to play it, you're leaving room. So let's say he just had a 1 pallet order. Well, he just wasted a lot of space right there. So your pallet's going to be a lot taller than what it should be. And I just don't agree with the slip sheets. If you have a nice level playing field and you have no more gaps, then go ahead and use a slip sheet. I'm just not a fan with the slip sheets. You guys know that in my one video you watched. Yeah, I mean, those 2 boxes, not a big deal, guys. He's just throwing to go, throwing to throw. There's not too much placement going on here. You could tell he's been doing the job for a while, though, because he's not thinking about what he's doing. I'm not saying what he's doing is wrong. I just would be doing it differently. That's all. First and foremost, I would not have used a slip sheet. And I would have kept those 2 cases together, the long ones. They would have been on my back pallet together or in a corner together. Anytime I could have 2 cases together, I keep them together. He did it a couple times, but then unless he's got a 2-pallet order going on here, I have no idea. If he has an Alpha Bravo, I have no idea. I don't know if this is 1 order or if it's 2 orders. If it's 2 orders, then understandable. See, yeah, I don't know. Oh God, here we go with another slip sheet. Guys, I'm gonna pause this again. Yeah, so once again, look at the gap. I mean, he doesn't even have a full layer and he's putting another slip sheet on. I could already tell this pallet's gonna be going pretty badly. I just look, and then you put that on, so that case is resting on absolutely nothing. It's resting on air, just a piece of cardboard hovering over. I just don't, you know, I like the cases being kept together. I just don't like the cardboard. I'm not a big fan. I'm not a big fan of the cardboard. That, to me, that front pallet's starting to look really crappy right now. Nothing against him. He's getting the job done, right? He's getting the job done. I would not have put that small case on the corner right there. Guys, like I teach on this channel, you want to have nice, strong corners. I just personally would not have put that small case on the corner. I would have put it up towards the front of the pallet maybe. But his pallet isn't going anywhere, right? I mean, it's stable. It's going to get out the door, you know. So, like I said, personal preference. That's why I would not have had that small case on the corner. Those 2 big cases would have been on that corner without the small box on the ad. So, but these are all light cases. You could probably get away with this with his light cases. He's scratching an order. I don't know about in your warehouse, or scratching a case rather. In our warehouse, if the replens that pick slot before we are finished with our order, we have to circle around and come and get that scratch. So it's very problematic whenever you're selecting heavy cases and you're scratching a heavy case and then you throw a bunch of light stuff on top and then you have to come around and grab those heavy cases, especially if you have a quantity. It's a pain. So now you're smashing light cases with heavy cases, especially if it's like cider or something, you know, like a case is like 30, 40 pounds. It's just ridiculous. All in all, here, let's pause it. So guys, that's the end of it. So all in all, you know, that's what they showed on the video. You know, it's not horrible. It's going to get out the door. It's not falling over. Just like I said, I'm very picky on the way I select. I don't like the slip sheets because these are all light cases, but if you had heavier cases, the slip sheets are going to become a problem. So in this part of the warehouse, he can get away with whatever he's doing right there with the slip sheets and not having strong corners because all the cases seem like they were pretty light. But as soon as you get to a place in the warehouse that you got weight, that is going to become an issue. That corner is going to become an issue. That back corner where it was leaning, you know, you're putting heavier cases on, it's going to be, you know, they're going to lean, they're going to crush the bottom case. The cardboard slip sheets, and you start putting heavier cases in those gaps, they're going to start sinking that cardboard, you know, but I think he, you know, it seems like, you know, he's not that bad of a builder, and I think he could have did just fine without the cardboard slip sheets, in my opinion. But short video, short breakdown, just my opinion, guys. Remember, I'm not trying to bash these people, just what I would do differently and what I'm teaching on this channel. Like I said, I believe is the right way, and I just don't agree with this video. So if you guys have any more video suggestions, copy and paste them over to my video suggestions, video breakdown suggestions over in my Discord. Discord is going to be in the description below. So if you guys want to join, you know, come join. You know, and that's it for today, guys. I will talk to you later. Have a good one.